Good morning and welcome back to my channel where I am documenting my health journey. So in my last video, I told you I was going to take a brief break from OPTAVIA. I've been doing the OPTAVIA 5-in-1 plan on and off for about 2 years. And I decided just to take a mental break from that. I still love the program. The program works like gangbusters. But I have some events and things coming up that I know I'm going to be on and off, and I don't really think it's good for your body to go into fat burn, in and out of fat burn so often. So for the time being, I am going to be counting calories with the Lose It app. And according to Lose It's calculations, I get approximately 1,233 calories a day, more if I work out. So that is what I am doing. So for my breakfast, I am going to have a Chobani Zero Sugar yogurt that has 60 calories and a light cheese stick, which I believe has 50 calories. I've been tossing around the idea of intermittent fasting with the calorie counting. Now, you can't do intermittent fasting on OPTAVIA because the whole science behind it is keeping your body going with small meals, 6 small meals a day. So it's not really set up for intermittent fasting, but calorie counting very well could be. So I was looking into it a little bit. It's supposed to have a lot of good benefits. If any of you guys have tried it, please leave me a comment below and tell me if you liked it or how it worked for you. I am tossing around the idea of my window being like 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I might try that today. I might wait and have my Chobani at 11. All right, I am headed to work. It is Monday morning, start of a busy week. So I am headed out and I will see you when I get home for lunch.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah.
All right, so I made it home for lunch and you saw what I had, an American classic, grilled cheese and tomato soup. And it's the perfect day for this. It is cold and gloomy here in northern Ohio. It's about 60 degrees out and it's gloomy and sprinkling rain. Anyway, that hit the spot. And the whole thing was under 300 calories. I used my light Nichols bread, 2 slices is 70 calories, a slice of provolone cheese, also 70 calories, a slice of light American, that was 45, and I can't believe it's not butter spray, to spray the bread and put it in the frying pan, and that has 0 calories. And I had about a cup of Campbell's tomato soup. I had it left over from the other day, and that is about 100 calories. So it was perfect. And I like to add my favorite seasoning to my tomato soup. I like to add that Creole seasoning. Gives it a really nice flavor. So that was good. I'm not too full, but I'm definitely satisfied. I still have my cheese stick at work. I'm gonna have that later, maybe around 3 o'clock for a snack. And then tonight for my dinner, I think I'm going to make a salmon fillet. I got those salmon fillets from Wild Fork the other week, and they are so good, and I've been dying to have it. And I kind of want to try a new recipe. It is not a lean and green, but I believe it could be adapted into one. And when I'm done making it, I'll point out how you can change it to maybe follow the lean and green guidelines. But what I'm gonna do is salmon piccata. And I have the recipe. I love the website, All Recipes. There's so many different things. They've got recipes for everything, and usually they're not too complicated. But I will have to pick up a couple things at the store before I make it. And you serve the salmon piccata over pasta. But what I think I'm gonna do is use about half a cup of spaghetti noodles and then the rest in zucchini noodles. So that's my thought on the subject. We will see what I do when I get home. So I'm gonna head back to work. Got a busy day today. I have to run a few errands after work, and then I'll be home to make my salmon piccata. See you then. All right, so I worked a little bit late, had to run to the post office, and then you saw that I went to Walmart. I just wanted to stock up on a few healthy items that I haven't had in a while. So I got some fruit, I got some carrots, I got some bagel thins, and you saw what I got. But now I am home and I am ready to make my salmon piccata. And I want to tell you guys how I'm going to do that. I have my recipe. It's from All Recipes, and I will link that in the description box below. But essentially, I take the salmon fillet, I salt and pepper it. I then lightly dust it with flour, and I put it in the pan to cook. Now it calls for oil. I'm just going to use olive oil spray. And you cook that for a few minutes. They said about 3 minutes per side in the pan, and then you remove the salmon and place it on a plate. So then you, using the same pan, add some white wine and some garlic, and you cook that until the liquid is about reduced by half. And then you add chicken broth, lemon juice, and capers. And you stir the mixture until it comes to a boil, and then you stir in some butter. Now, like I said, I am making it a little bit lighter than the recipe calls for. I'm going to use the olive oil spray, and I'm going to use light butter. So then you return the salmon to the skillet, and you pan the sauce over it until it's finished cooking. And then you serve that over pasta or rice. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some spaghetti noodles, and I'm gonna measure out about a half cup, maybe 3/4 cup of spaghetti noodles. And I'm also gonna have some spiralized zucchini noodles, just to bulk it up a little bit and make it a little bit healthier. So let me get started with that. I am starving.
Went down, climbed right up on the hillside. A different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my I hear you say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubting you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability.
All right, so I had my dinner and it was absolutely delicious. I'm not sure I liked the zucchini with the pasta. I think next time I'll just do straight pasta and maybe have a side salad or something for a vegetable. But it was still really good and definitely something I will make again. So it is the end of my day, so to speak. It is a little after 7, and I am going to try this intermittent fasting. And I had my chobani at about I don't know, a little after 11, and now it's a little after 7, and I'm gonna call it a night. I am having my leftover little bottle of wine that I used in my recipe because, you know, can't let it go to waste. But that's actually why I bought the 4-pack. I didn't want to open a whole bottle because that's just dangerous for me. With the little 4-pack, then it's easier to limit myself. Plus, I know exactly how much I've had, so I can count it in my Lose It app. And speaking of my Lose It app, I will post my day for you right here. So I ended up slightly under my goal of 1,233 calories. I did not work out today, but I am so tired. Mondays are always so hard. But before I let you guys go, you know, I've been talking about the patio that I got at Temu, and I finally have it all together. So I thought I would end this clip with a little view of my patio, care of Temu. If you like this video, please like it below and subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell so you're alerted every time I upload a new video. And please comment below if you know anything about intermittent fasting or if it has been successful for you or not. I would love to hear about it. I'm not sure I can do it. I've tried it in the past, but I'm going to give it a couple days. I'm excited that I have some healthy food to have and to take to work. I didn't have any fruit, so that was one of the things I wanted to get at Walmart. So I will do another What I Eat in a Day shortly, and you guys can see how it's going. I am not sure if I'm going to lose any weight at all, but we will see. All right, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I will see you next time. And hopefully you guys will enjoy the closing scenes from my patio. See you next time.